वेलकम कहिए जनाब, हम लोग बातचीत कर रहे हैं एक्टर कटरीना कैफ से। फिल्मों में इट्स अ वेरी टफ इंडस्ट्री, द अमाउंट ऑफ राइवलरीज, पॉलिटिक्स, जितना झगड़ा लड़ाई वहाँ होता है जो हमें इधर बाहर दिखता है। आप एक इंसाइडर हैं।
I know what people were saying about me. It isn't that I don't know, because my best friend is a designer who does all my films, and at one point we were just having a casual conversation in his room, and even he said, "It's never like you're going to be there, you know." And I was like, "Where?" You know, there, like at the top with all, you know, the actresses, like, you know. And I said, "Why?" And even though I somewhere believed that, you know, no, also, everyone believes that, you know, they're not good enough, they can't do it. I think everyone is insecure to a certain
जब
extent.
आपने दोस्त से पूछा क्यों नहीं हो सकता, उन्होंने क्या जवाब दिया?
So he said that, "I don't know, yeah, you're not like them." So I said, "Like them? का मतलब क्या है? Like them? What like them?" You're not the same. I don't know. You're not the same, but I think that is the beauty of India, and that is, if I have to pinpoint one thing, is the beauty of our culture and the people here is when they accept something, they accept something. They don't judge, you know. We're not a very judging nation and people, and I think that's something which is not noticed enough.
कटरीना कैफ के बारे में पहले कहा जाता था कि उनको लैंग्वेज नहीं आती, अब कहा जाता है कि वो एक तरह से बहुत ही सुंदर प्रॉप है, एक बहुत ही हिम्बू ग्लैमरस ग्लैमर डॉल है।
You know, everyone says that glamour doll. I really have an idea, which I'm going to say on your show, and hopefully will happen. I would like one big company to come and make a doll, make a glamour doll, and give me the money.
Katrina Glamour doll.
Call it Katrina Glamour doll, and you know you can make her arms move, and her, you know, you can make her dance and wind her up at the back, and you know we'll share the profits.
I'm a Barbie girl.
Yeah, we'll share the profits. I don't mind.
नहीं, लेकिन जो कहा जाता है कि ग्लैमर प्रॉप अक्षय कुमार के साथ, सलमान खान के साथ, शी लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल, मतलब ये सारे सिक्स पैक के, मतलब शी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स द सिक्स पैक्स। ना वो एक्ट कर सकती है, ना उनको भाषा आती है, शी नॉट इवन अ ग्रेट डांसर। जब हाँ इट इज मीन, बट जब ये आप सुनती हैं, डज इट काइंड ऑफ आपको इज इट अ काइंड ऑफ अ प्रॉड की मुझे और मेहनत करनी है?
I don't think I hear that anymore now. I think I heard that a lot in the beginning, and you know what, half of the time they're right. Yeah, I have to learn these things, and I've always been realistic that I knew that I had to learn, and I always been given an opportunity to learn. So either I say, I don't know how to do it, so I'm going to run away, or I say, this is an opportunity, I'll learn. I know it will take me a few films, a few years of experience to become, I guess, very polished at whatever you're doing, whether it's acting or dancing, but I'm going to do it. Why not? Yeah, if I'm being given the opportunity, then it's something I want.
Paid.
Yeah, and being paid. Then why not? So I think for the first 3 films, I did face a lot of criticism that, as you said, you know, just glamour doll, just, you know, standing looking nice
pretty,
in the distance.
While the hero fights for her.
Yeah, but to that thing, I have 2 things to say. I think now I wouldn't say after Namaste London that I encounter that really anymore. And Namaste London was a very female-dominated film. People can choose to ignore it, because I think that's also part of human nature. When you make an opinion about someone, you don't want to change it. You just want to, okay, we've already got that opinion now, you know, you just want to go on and move on.
Plus, you're too pretty to be taken seriously. Also, do you agree with that?
No, I don't. I mean, that's what I'm saying. You give someone a good role and a good script, which I think is the weakest thing. Which
But एक और बात नहीं, हिंदी फिल्म में जैसे आपने कहा कि टाइप कर देते हैं किसी को, कि मतलब किसी के बारे में ओपिनियन बना ली, तो अगर कोई टाइपकास्ट, तो अगर कोई एक्ट्रेस है या कोई हीरो है, मतलब एक तो बहुत ही शॉविनिस्टिक है, जिसके बारे में बात करेंगे, मगर वो बड़ी सीरियस है, वो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, वो बड़े सीरियस रोल्स करती है। Whereas Katrina Kaif, जैसे हमने कहा, तो are you kind of fighting that stereotype somewhere?
You know, not at all. It's entirely what I have one thing to say actually at this moment, which a lot of people don't know, because it's never been my style to which a lot of people do if you see. It's never been my style, I mean, to go around talking about the films which I refuse, you know, I mean, even the people who take your interviews, you know, they're always telling me, please tell us what you refused, please tell us what you refused. I'm saying, why? That's just mean. I've been offered so many serious films, and by very good, very credible, talented, serious directors. And when I say serious, even though I'm not fond of that phrase, I'll term it as artistic cinema. You know, the more arty films, even though I think there's only a good film and a bad film, but that's just say it like that for now. I wanted to do this for one reason, is that I knew I was coming from a background where nobody knew me, and I wanted the audience, our movie-going audience, to know me and to be familiar. Acha, ye hai. They know who you are. The other reason I wanted to do that was because, unfortunately, or fortunately, I am a working woman. I am single, and as you said, I have 6 sisters. And I have a responsibility. If I'm given this wonderful opportunity, it doesn't mean that even though you can have fun, I can take it lightly.
True.
At the end of the day, after 8 years or 9 years, you know, I have to go back, and you're only going to have what we've made for ourselves now. So yes, I mean, financial security is an aspect that I wanted to establish myself as a commercial heroine, which is someone who is I guess who, when the producers and distributors go to look at your track record, has a good track record. So I think I chose my films accordingly. In the middle, I could have done one very serious artistic type film where, you know, I'm wearing a sari and I'm in mourning, and people may have said, wow. But that wasn't the time.
True.
And I think the way it's happened for me, I've been tremendously lucky and blessed that I couldn't have asked for more until this point. And the films I'm doing now, which I'm sure we'll get to that later, the films I'm doing now are completely different.
बिल्कुल, इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. अभी समय एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद अभी आते हैं और पता करते हैं कि कटरीना को साइज 0 के बारे में क्या लगता है और उनकी आगे फिल्में कौन सी होने वाली हैं. Please don't go away.
You've been working since 7 o'clock, and you know you've been really working hard. And I'm so hungry, and I just want to fill that plate and I want to eat it. And halfway through, I know I'm just the food is there. Everything else doesn't matter.